everyone, it's Kristen Porter with Crye Realtors. Look, if you like home tours, go ahead and push that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Now, today is a very exciting day because it is the first time I will be bringing you an exclusive tour of a Grant home here in Arlington, Tennessee. Today's home, you will see, is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, but you do have the option to add an additional bedroom as well as an additional car garage. Also, the thing that makes the Harper floor plan and all the homes in the Myers community is you have the option to have an alley load car garage. HOA covers the entire year. It's $18.25 for the alley load garages and $17.50 for the front load garages. This includes, but is not limited to, the mowing and the grass care, flower bed maintenance, chemical application for turf areas, leaf removal, mulch, the upkeep of community pool, and so much more. This home is sitting on a 2,497 square foot lot, and lots in this community start around 2,300 and go up to about 3,000 square feet. Now, they have about 4 homes coming available in the estimate time range of July, August, and September. So if you're interested, time is of the essence. So hit me up ASAP because they're going quickly. It's deluxe, it's gourmet. Take a look at this must-have kitchen. It's decked out with stainless steel Whirlpool appliances and natural granite countertops. All Grant floor plans offer a minimum of 9-foot smooth ceilings as well as 8-foot interior doors.